a car and you're planning on working on your car, just know you're gonna run into shit like this, and it's gonna make you wanna just blow it all up. I'm still confused. Nothing's changed. It's been a crazy day.
Jules, baby.
I'm always there. Yeah, I'm in your head. I'm always there. You turn me live. I'm always there.
Pause right here and go get some sandpaper because I want to sand down these bolts. They're really rusty. So picked up some 320 sanding paper to sand down all the bolts. They look like this. So very rusty. Wanted to get them back. You know, we're working on them, trying to get them back good. So we got some sandpaper, just so these don't give us a problem if we ever have to take these out again.
I'm always there. I don't care the time zone. Yeah. Can you find phone? You're the only kid inside there to hear in my head. Yeah. Let me be your future. And your nostalgia. I make these tunes for you. Timeless and marvelous. I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
So we 100% have the engine mount 100% locked in, looking stable, feeling stable. Now we can jack up the car, and we were able to get one bolt out of the top of the TPS, and then we're gonna jack up the car and take the bottom bolt off of the TPS, go ahead and get that 100% out and see, and go ahead and get the original one changed in wherever it's at around here. Currently under the car because you have to get the bottom bolt on the TPS from under the car. So that's what he's doing right now. He's cleaning up the charge pipe because the charge pipe had a lot of sludge in. You see him? Go ahead, boss.
God.
You want me to shave it?
What, the fan shroud?
Yeah. So we're back. I have on a different outfit because we were doing taking these out, or taking the stock one out, and we had to take off the coolant, and my hair, I was leaning over and my hair got in coolant. You know, that's no good. And then the coolant fucking stunk. So had to immediately take a shower, wash my hair and stuff. But we're back at it, and this is the old one, and the other one is the new one. But this old one had like some like oil or like residue inside of it. Definitely bad. So we got the OEM one right here, another OEM one, and we are going to install shortly. So stay tuned. Also, if you haven't, hit that like. Drop a comment, letting us know where you from, shit, and subscribe if you got some time. We went to a lovely set right here from the Star Key bolt. So we got the right stuff. We took it out. It's out. Now we gotta do is clean up the mess we made, and then we'll be good. Put everything back together. Start the car up. Hopefully we get great results. So we got the car all back together. We got the TPS, new one in there, tightened down, airbox back, got the hose back, fans back. We also got the mount put in. How you feeling?
Should be good to go.
So yeah, he's gonna go ahead and fill it up with some more coolant. Because we spilled a little bit of coolant, so we're gonna go ahead and fill her, top her off, get her back right, start the car, show you guys how she's driving when we start the car to see if the TPS was actually the problem. She's all started up. We got no code or no check engine light as of right now. When I started it up this morning, we did have a check engine, so let's see if the TPS was the problem. We're gonna go for a drive when she warms up and let you guys know how she's running. So as you guys can see, the temps are pretty warm. Idling fine, everything's fine, no check engine. So we're gonna drive it, but I'm pretty sure this is what I've been looking for right here to solve the problem, most definitely.
Jules, baby.
You turn